Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to mix my at-home hair oil for our hair growth journey. The ingredients I have here, I have all the oils, all the butters. I have organic shea butter and I have organic cold pressed coconut oil. I have the Cantu leave-in conditioner and peppermint oil, essential oil, castor oil, and lastly natural rosemary oil. So what I have in this cup is the coconut oil that I've melted. I'm just going to melt this quickly in the microwave because it's in a bowl that I can put in the microwave. So I'm just going to melt the shea butter quickly. While that is melting, let me talk you through. I just melted the coconut oil. I'm going to mix everything in this cup and then transfer it into this bottle. I've incorporated the leave-in conditioner because I wanted it to have a base and not necessarily have too much water or too much oil, so your hair doesn't become too greasy or shrinks because you added too much water. Right, so for the amount that I'm going to mix, I'm just going to use about 2 tablespoons of water and mix it with this leave-in conditioner to form the base of the hair oil. So my shea butter is melted and ready to go. What I want to do is just mix this first. I'll first of all take 2 teaspoons of the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm using leave-in conditioner because you can leave it in, you don't have to wash it out. And I'm going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of water. This is what's going to form the base of my oil so it doesn't become too greasy or too watery. I'm going to mix it so that's all mixed up. Now I'm going to put my coconut oil in there. I'll mix it. Instead of just leaving the conditioner aside, I mix it all in so it gives it the body, the base, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. I've done this so many times so I know exactly how many pumps to put in there. So that's the castor oil. I'm going to put a few drops of the peppermint oil, 5 to 6 drops of the peppermint oil. This leaves your hair very shiny and silky, and I just love the way it leaves the hair. I mean, all of these ingredients are natural, so I'm putting in about a tablespoon full of the oil, and now the shea butter. This is about half a cup of shea butter, and I'm going to mix it all together. So after washing my hair and Belle's hair with the rice water or the fenugreek mixture, this is what I use to moisturize our scalp and the hair itself. Now when you find that this is gone all solid because of the cold or something, you can just put it in warm water and it should melt it really nicely. So this is quick and easy, nothing fancy, just mix it all together. You can have this for as long as you want because all of the ingredients are natural. There you have it. So this is my at-home hair oil that I use for my 4C hair and Belle's 4A hair texture, and it works amazing. I'm going to actually use some on Belle's hair now because I just gave her a cold wash. I'm going to trim her edges. I'll use this to base it and oil her scalp. So just cold wash Belle's hair, and I'm going to put this on her scalp and massage it in. Now the hair will not be left dry because you have the base, you have the leave-in conditioner, and you have the water in there, so it's not going to be too greasy and it won't be too damp as well. It will just moisturize the hair. So just a little bit of the oil goes a long way. As you can see, it's moisturizing her scalp. Just a little bit of that went a long way. I don't need too much of it, which is great. Because we are at home, I'm just going to give her hair a trim myself. The edges are a bit dry and split, so I'm just going to cut about 1 centimeter off. Look at that, it's a bit dry. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is how the hair oil looks like when it's settled down. You can see that's the conditioner and the oil that has formed the base of it, and then there's all the oils on top of it. You just have to shake it when you want to use it, and if it's gone solid, all you have to do is put it in hot water and it will be melted and ready to use. A little bit of it goes a long way, so this will last us about a month or so, depending on how many times we use it. You can use it every day to moisturize your hair and oil your scalp. So this is all natural and there are no side effects, and you can use it on a toddler like Belle, or you can use it on adult hair, baby hair. Anyone can use it because it's all natural. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you see a difference in your hair when you use this oil if you're going to try it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.